During boot your system, press any key. Select the second Red Hat Enterprise Linux rescue line. Press E to edit. Now go to the end of the first line, which start with Linux. Type rd.break. OK. Now press Ctrl+X to start the system in emergency mode. Hit enter. Type the following command. Watch attentively. Set password as Red Hat according to question. Don't forget to create auto relabel file. Now type exit and hit enter twice or press Ctrl+D twice to reboot the system. It will take little time here for relabeling, so be patient. OK, done. Now I am going to log in root account. Type our newly created password, Red Hat. Bingo! Our question has been resolved successfully. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.